Alright, so welcome guys to another unpacking, and today actually we have a quite a jam-packed unpacking. I actually haven't finished the previous round. I still have a couple of items to review, but yeah, since there's a lot of stuff that arrived, I wanted to do an unpacking to show you guys what's next in the channel. So we're actually gonna start with maybe the lower right first, and then going to maybe counterclockwise, and we're gonna start with some budget IEMs. I actually got several budget IEMs. I got it for you guys because you were suggesting that I should get more under $20, and we have several of them, and I checked all your suggestions, and these are what I got. So first we have the Fail Poppy. I believe this is around $10, 500 pesos, and you're getting that maybe E1000 kind of design, that X49, that spaceship as well, so the buds kind of design, and there's some people who likes this design. And my first time to check out actually an IEM or earphone under $10 for Fail. And you have a redefined listening, you have that E1000 kind of design, Poppy as well, and you're getting carbon nano diaphragm dynamic driver as well, so single DD configuration. But yeah, what's really interesting here, this is a Fail product, and it seems that you're getting a metal kind of design as well. So yeah, that's the first thing. I wanted to check that one out and maybe compare it to maybe the X49 as well. We have the TRN M10. So this is one of your requests again, hybrid configuration from TRN. I just checked out the TRN MT1, and yeah, definitely for the price you're paying for, that's nice. And this is a hybrid configuration now, and again an earbud kind of design. We're seeing this trend. So you have 16 ohm impedance, 20 to 20 kHz in frequency range, 0.75 millimeter 2-pin connector, and hybrid in-ear monitors as well. So you have a BA as well here, and around $10 as well. So really good price for something like this. This will be versus the ZSTXs or the ZSNs of the world, or the ZS3s of the world. So if it's anything close to maybe to the MT1 tuning, but maybe with better mids, this might be nice. So yeah, that's one of the things that we should check out. And next we have the CCA CSA, so single dynamic driver. So I'm really late on this, but yeah, I would like to check it out. So 10 to 20 kHz in frequency range, and yeah, single dynamic driver here, small and comfortable in-ear dynamic earphone. So this will fall right in the price range, maybe your MT1s as well. So again, really cheap for something like this, and you're getting that IEM kind of design. What's really interesting here is yeah, as I mentioned to you guys, sometimes I do prefer the CCA counterpart to the KZ counterpart. Next is the CCA CSN. So this will be your hybrid configuration, similar to the price of your ZST, ZSNs. Build quality as well, similar to maybe the DQ6. So you have CSN, hybrid technology, drive upgrade cable earphone. So here you're getting 20 to 20 kHz in frequency range, and yes, hybrid in configuration. So if this is anything close to maybe your usual CCA tuning, this might be really cool for the price they're paying for, because yeah, usually for CCAs the 12K is a bit more recessed in the mix, and yeah, it's a bit more relaxed. So this might work for some people who found the KZs to be harsher than what they would like. So yes, that's something that we should check out. Here at the upper right corner, we do have, I'm just gonna go through this because we already went through this before, HT01 and ANC from QCY. And yeah, QCY knows how to tune their stuff, so we might be seeing that in the future, that it might be good. And CCAs again, so I haven't checked this out, the CKX and the CS16, so I need to check this out. So I'm really interested actually to compare this to the C12 and the CA16, if it's anything better compared to that. Huawei, this is the cheapest ANC that we have in the channel, 1,500 pesos or $30. AS12. And actually this is interesting. Let's go to the middle. So this is the TRN BA15. So this is the more expensive TRN. So multi-driver system, you have the more expensive brother, and hopefully this is a better version. Actually, you don't have anything in the box, so I won't be able to read some specs here, but yeah, that's from TRN. And here at the middle, we're getting a TWS. So this is the Nyanka Lite Pro Bluetooth. So Bluetooth 5.0, AAC aptX, noise cancelling as well, 13mm large aperture drivers, dual host flash connection, lightweight as well, and getting that maybe Huawei buds design, circular kind of design here. And yeah, from the box itself, really looks good. So hopefully this sounds nice for us. So that's the Nyanka buds. And actually here we're getting some more $200 stuff. This is the NA2 Plus from NF Audio. And yeah, this is interesting because I haven't checked out an NF Audio before. And actually from the comments that I've seen, they're saying that this is one of the better ones in the $200 range. So that's really interesting. So dual cavity dynamic driver IEM. So dynamic driver here. And here at the other side, you're getting some specs. Double cavity dynamic driver IEM, 0.78mm 2-pin connector, replaceable cable, 5-axis CNC carved aeronautical aluminum shell, ergonomic design, and artist tuning. So yeah, really interesting here. Actually don't have some specs on what driver they're using. But yeah, this is one of the more expensive dynamic drivers that I will check out in the channel. So that's interesting. And here you're getting the Tribit fly buds. So here you have true wireless earbuds. The key to wireless movement actually has some weight to it. So I'm not sure what's inside. You're getting IPX7 waterproof, playback time of 5 hours, Bluetooth 5.0. And what's really interesting for me here is you have some fins. So this might be good for some sports usage. And usually for Tribit, you're getting a really substantial base at the bottom. And what's interesting with Tribit is you're getting really comfortable wear on the ear. So that's what I like about Tribits usually. So really nicely built as well. So that's the FlyBuds 3. And yes, we're actually gonna go to this part, and actually this is from Gadget Hunter. So big thanks to Gadget Hunter. So we're working with some local brands now, which is gonna be cool. So I actually have the Mobi RX3. So you have a mic here, which might be good for gaming, and in here as well. So I haven't actually checked out that much gaming stuff here. I am a gamer. I play all the time, but I haven't checked out that much gaming stuff yet. So this will be interesting. Dual microphone gaming headset, detachable HD long mic, dual microphone made for gaming, and you're getting that long mic attachment, which might be good for some people because usually, yes, if you put the mic closer to your mouth, it will give you better sound quality. That's the rule of thumb in audio, and this might be better in sound quality. We're gonna find out. And you're getting that fins as well, so it might be comfortable to listen to. But I haven't actually checked out or wore anything that has a long thing from an earphone, so I'm not sure how stable it is. So that's something that we should figure out. And next we have Sabret as well in the channel. We have the Sabret G12 Elite. So this is the gaming series Unity as well, so it will be interesting. So from the design itself, it's a bit more curvy compared to the Sabret X12 or E12s. And Awaken, fighting like a hero. So at the other side, you're getting some specs. So you're getting 32 ohm impedance, and you're also getting USB Type-C, and also Bluetooth 5.0 as well. But yeah, really interesting here is this might give us better latency. Actually it says Bluetooth 5.0, so it says 6 hours of battery life, low latency as well, and dual mode switch. So the low latency is the more important one. You cannot see it on the screen, it's a bit dark, but that is the Sabret G12 Elite. Similar in price range as well compared to your other Sabrets, and Sabret is really popular in the community. So next would be this is the Mini, and also we're getting a Plextone headphone as well. So actually in my TikTok, you can actually check my TikTok, I did cover some Plextones there, and it's quite popular with the community, especially for the price that you're paying for. So here you're getting again gamer kind of design. I'm gonna put the price here, but this should be a really good priced gaming headset. So more budget stuff for us. All right, so this is actually all the stuff that we need to check out in this channel. So it's actually quite substantial number of items. So that's why I need to have your guys' opinion on what you think I should start out first, and what would be interesting. So maybe I can do some prioritization there, what you are excited to have a look at. So I might do more unboxings because I do have a lot of stuff to cover. So yes, unboxings is faster for me to do, or reviews take longer, and I need to cover as much as I can. And yeah, I want to do some unboxings as well. It's really fun to do, so I might do more unboxings than reviews. I'm gonna choose some items that I will do a fuller review, a more detailed review on. But yes, given the amount of stuff that I need to check out, I need to kind of prioritize what should be reviewed and what should be unboxed. So yeah, for some of these unboxings will be what I'm gonna do. But yes, actually my unboxings now are more detailed compared to before. So for some items, the unboxing will already suffice. But yes, I'm gonna try to cover as much as I can in the channel. And also one thing to note, guys, we will have a giveaway soon. We're gonna announce it in the future, but I do have a partner with me to do the giveaway. And make sure you subscribe to get some updates on that. And yes, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpolt unpacking. Goodbye.